好啦，咁由呢一度繼續開始行啦。呢度開始就係炮台山，呢個係清風街天橋嘅巴士站。So I will keep walking from here to North Point, walking through the Fortress Hill area.咁呢個呢係一間酒吧嚟嘅。This is a bar. I think it's due to the government order. It cannot operate as well, like the salon. 咁據我所知呢，就係唔俾營運啦。咁因為政府勒令，酒吧好似係唔俾營運嘅而家。呢棟樓都幾靚喎。七海 Seven Seas Commercial Centre。咁呢棟我都唔知叫咩名啦。I'm not too sure what the name of this what was the name of this building. Anyway, I think it's quite signature in this area. 咁呢度上邊呢有一條好有趣嘅街道嘅，咁歪零歪稱咁樣嘅。有時候呢我都會見到有一啲貨車呢會喺度卡住咗，喐唔到嘅。This interesting street is called the Comforts Terrace. There are some high-end residential area over there, and look at the street. It's quite interesting. It has a curve like an S, the shape of S. And sometimes I see some trucks get stuck here. 咁就整緊路啦，所以就行咗出呢個行人路，喺呢個馬路。The pedestrian walkway is closed, so that I have to walk on the road. 呢個係油街 ，That is the oil street, one of the busiest street in Fortress Hill. 咁係一條非常之繁忙嘅道路嚟嘅。咁呢一度呢就有條樓梯嘅，咁就可以上返炮台山上邊嘅，即係個山嗰度啦。上邊嘅宅住宅，亦都有啲學校嘅。咁另外亦都可以使用呢一度嘅扶手電梯啦。唔係呢個係行人，呢個叫做升降機嘅 ，sorry。咁呢度就係炮台山站。What I have just mentioned is the staircase there. You can walk up to the residential area of Fortress Hill. Also, they have a few schools over there. And starting from 10 years ago, you can start using the lift going up. Before that, you have to take these stairs. Okay, so this is the Fortress Hill Station. 咁呢度咧就係炮台山站啦。繼續行啦，中原地產、鴻福堂。So it was the properties agent and a herbal tea shop, Chinese herbal tea shop. Manning's is a pharmacy. 萬寧。梳化倉 furniture shop. And this is the Fortress Tower. 呢個係新都城中心啊，叫做。咁呢度咧就有條好長嘅樓梯嘅，呢度咧係可以上到呢個叫豪庭峰啊。Here is another long staircase. For the summit, I can't really pronounce it. 奇華、爭鮮、香港寬頻、啡粉、電訊數碼、大快活、中聯通。Okay, so it was some shops for the mobile phone plans. 7-Eleven, Fairwood is a fast food shop.咁呢條路呢，我一直都好想行一行嘅，但係仲未有機會啊。炮台山道啊，咁一個炮台山只有一條炮台山道啦。咁可以話係有啲代表性嘅，所以我都想行一行嘅。This is the Fortress Hill Road. I still haven't got a chance walking on this street, but I think it's worth for a walk, since one Fortress Hill has only got one Fortress Hill Road. 新時代廣場，係一個湯場嚟嘅，都幾廢嘅。Okay, 英皇道，回頭望一望英皇道先。So that's the King's Road. The shopping mall I have just mentioned is one of the worst shopping mall I've ever seen. But anyway, 呢個北角中心大廈，呢個入邊都有啲鋪頭喎，原來。I see some shops over there as well. Maybe one day I can do a walk through there. 英皇柏麗大道購物中心 ，another shopping mall。站一站啊！賣衫嘅 a boutique and some restaurants. This one is Korean food, I think. Optical Center 配眼鏡嘅。 咁啊有間賣生煎包。呢度呢係咪叫皇都戲院呢？呢間唔記得咗咩戲院添。咁而家就重建緊。I can't remember what is the name of this cinema. I think it's like one of the historical building here. Okay. So before moving on, let's take another look of the Fortress Hill.長康街 昌康 Street。OK， 咁呢段片呢就嚟呢度先。咁因為再行呢就係北角啦。咁我哋下段片再見啦。So this video will stop here, and I will keep walking in the next video from here to Quarry Bay. So at the front, this is the area of North Point. See you in the next video. Bye bye.